Hello, my name is Neil Singh. I'm young 24, standing 6.1 inches tall, and these are my Facebook files. I'm available on the shooting dates, and I haven't shot for any competitive brands. And yes, I can clean shave as well if required. And my current location is Andheri, 7 Bungalows itself. And I'm born and brought up in Bombay itself. Uh, what makes me happy? Watching my mom laughing, just doing the things that she loves. And yeah, just a joyful laughter. Just that sight itself of her laughing wholeheartedly is something which really makes me happy. I think happy would be an understatement. It kind of makes my whole world go around. And yeah, I just really love my mom. And yeah, whatever that gives her happiness gives a lot of happiness to me. And yeah, my younger brother. I mean, he's someone who I really admire as a man. He's younger to me, but I strongly feel that he's way elder to me because the kind of responsible man that he has become, it's really a sight to behold for me. I look at him and I look at him in admiration for the kind of human being that he has become, the kind of person he has become work-wise, personally, as a family person. So yeah, that really makes me happy as well as makes my chest grow much bigger than it already is. And yeah, I love food. I love watching a lot of new movies, new content, new cinema. I love watching web series. I love watching Netflix. Other kind of art cinema is something which really motivates me and piques my interest. I love listening to new music. I've been a very big fan of Michael Jackson since my childhood and Bon Jovi. So yeah, I'm highly influenced by their music. Learning new things makes me happy. Uh, Food really makes me happy. I love food. I'm a big foodie. You can call me a food devote. That is how much I love food. And desserts. Yeah, desserts is something which I binge on like anything. I mean, if there's a Cadbury in the fridge, then and if I've not eaten it, then whole night that thought will come in my mind that there's something inside the fridge. That Cadbury is there, or that pastry is there, or that ice cream is there. So I really love desserts and hobbies. Well, my hobbies are I like to write, so I'm a poet, closet poet, and I've also performed at various places as an artist. So I write rap songs, I write my own poetries and stuff. So that is a hobby to just pick up a pen and paper and just write whatever is coming in my mind or suddenly if a thought strikes. And yeah, just learning new things. Hobbies would include being with my pet and playing with her, spending time with her. That is something that I usually do almost every day. Even if I am coming late back from shoots, I make sure that at least for 20 minutes I play with her, with all the intensity and love that I can generate from me in that moment. So yeah, that is also a hobby. And I've been writing affirmations since quite a time now, and I've been writing it in the night also. So I think it has become a hobby to be positive and to write positive stuff each and every day, irrespective of how the day is actually panning out to be. So I think that is another hobby. And yeah, just meeting new people is a hobby, getting to know them is a hobby. What I don't know to know about it is a hobby itself, because I have that curiosity wala kida in me, if I may say. So I'm pretty curious about this and that and everything. So yeah, these are my hobbies. And my most embarrassing moment, it's a very like, now I feel shy as well as I feel like laughing when I narrate it, but that time it was just an embarrassing moment, very embarrassing. So I had participated in this dance competition in my school. एंड वहाँ पे धोती पहननी थी मुझे तो ऑफकोर्स आती नहीं है कि धोती कैसे पहननी है. आई वॉज इन सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड इफ आई मे से. तो मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, उसके जो फादर है उन्होंने मुझे धोती पहना दी. अब मैंने वो धोती पहन तो ली, लेकिन डांस करते करते वक्त आई जस्ट स्टेप्ड ऑन माई धोती एंड इट केम ऑफ. एंड देन the whole crowd, the whole people who were watching the dance performance, the teachers, the other students of the other classes, and everyone bursted out laughing. And I just grabbed my dhoti and I ran behind as fast as I could. So yeah, that is like my most embarrassing moment till now. And yeah, it seems funny now, but it was pretty embarrassing for me back then. Then I just tied my dhoti around my waist like how Salman Khan did it in Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, Jeene Gaye 4 Din. So yeah, that was the most embarrassing moment. Uh, what are the craziest pranks and adventure things that I've done? Uh, okay, so every building in every society, there's this one person, either the secretary or anyone, who has a problem with the kids playing cricket, football, anything. So they always have a problem with that. आई थिंक शायद इस वजह से आज उतने बच्चे खेलते नहीं है बाहर जितने पहले खेलते थे. So in my childhood, there was one uncle who used to have a lot of problem with kids playing cricket, especially in the afternoons, because he used to sleep in the afternoon. So, but we used to play cricket 24/7 anyhow. I mean, as kids, we don't have any time limit. As if, the friends come out, they call your name, and you just go down and you start playing. So, उन्होंने कंप्लेन कर दी थी कि है ना आज के बाद यहाँ क्रिकेट नहीं खेलना ये वो. और उन्होंने मेजॉरिटी सबके सिग्नेचर्स वगैरह ले लिए थे. सो व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू, आई मीन व्हाट आई लाइक, इट वाज माय आइडिया. हमने क्या किया कि उनके घर के बाहर हमने एक एग के अंदर सुई टोची और उसमें नींबू डाला और एग के ऊपर एक फेस बना दिया डेविलिश. और वो हमने उनके घर के बाहर रिलीजियसली रखा है फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 months. For 2 months we kept that outside his house. He got so freaking scared that उन्होंने उनको लगा कि उनके यहाँ पे कोई आके काला जादू कर रहा है, कुछ ऐसा कर रहा है. उन्होंने सीसीटीवी कैमरा लगाया. Still I used to using my खुराफाती mind as a child, that naughty kid. तो वो यूज करके मैं रख देता था, तो कभी कैप्चर नहीं हो पाया. हमेशा उसमें ना वो डंडा आया जिससे वहां पे जा रहा है, गिर रहा है. तो उसके बाद में उन्होंने एक बार सीसीटीवी लगाया, वो वर्क नहीं किया. उसके बाद उन्होंने गौमूत्र लाके छिड़का दरवाजे के बाहर अपने, कि अगर कोई बुरी बला है या कुछ ऐसा है तो वो टल जाए. और ये आज तक उनको पता नहीं चला. आई मीन द लास्ट टाइम आई विजिटेड हिम वाज 4 months 5 months बैक, बिकॉज वी शिफ्टेड हियर in Andheri. It was this incident that I'm telling you about. It's in Lokhandwala. I've spent my childhood there. So yeah, till date he doesn't know that I was the Shinchan, in that time. So that is my most prankest and adventurous moment as a child. I think, yeah. So that is it. I think that is what life is made of, memories. And yeah, these are the memories I hold very preciously and like very, very dearly in my heart, in my soul. So thank you so much for listening to it. Thank you.